Have you ever heard a sudden buzzing or ringing sound in your ears out of nowhere? It's not just random. It's a message from the universe. That buzzing could mean your energy is shifting, your intuition is sharpening, and you're becoming more aligned with higher frequencies. It can also be a sign that spiritual guides are trying to communicate with you, nudging you towards something important. If you hear it when thinking about a decision or a person, pay attention. It's confirmation. Have you experienced this? Comment. I hear the signs, and tap the link in the comments to decode what the universe is telling you.